Heterosexual serodiscordant couples face challenges when it comes to conceiving a virus-free child, but thanks to modern science, it can be done relatively simply when it's the male partner who is HIV infected. It involves a technique called sperm washing, followed by intrauterine insemination, or IUI for short. To appreciate how sperm washing works, let's take a look at the male anatomy. Sperm is produced in the testicles. It's then stored and matured in coiled tubes called epididymis. During ejaculation, sperm traveled through the vas deferens to another tube called the ejaculatory duct. At this location, sperm is mixed with fluid from the seminal vesicles as well as the prostate gland to give rise to semen. It exits the body through the urethra. On top of sperm, semen contains dead epithelial cells, plasma, white blood cells, and other types of cells. Of course, the problem is that HIV intrudes T cells, which are white blood cells with CD4 molecules on the surface, and so HIV exists in semen. HIV also exists in other constituents of the fluid. Sperm washing is essentially isolating sperm, to which HIV does not attach, from this infected seminal fluid. The first step in a basic sperm wash is to rapidly rotate the mixture using a centrifuge machine. The centrifugal force applied to the sample is what actually does the separating. A pellet of sperm will form at the bottom and everything else will be in the liquid above. The liquid, or supernatant, is discarded. To help ensure all of the viruses are removed, centrifugation with a wash solution is done multiple times. A wash solution contains antibiotics and protein supplements. After the final centrifugation, the pellet is mixed in with the now virus-free solution for use in intrauterine insemination. This entails injecting sperm into the cervix through a thin, flexible catheter. Ideally, the time frame from collection to insemination should not have exceeded more than 2 hours. Since sperm washing and IUI are quite straightforward and quick, the greatest barrier may be paying for the procedures if your health insurance does not cover it. One cycle costs $865 on average, according to the National Infertility Association.